de los Santos. I am Sofia de los Santos, 15 years old. Yes, I'm only 15, but I could still remember what had happened to me in the past. I am the eldest daughter of a family with 3 boys. My father died, so my mother decided to take us to her home province. I was still enrolled in a nearby school. At first, I was very happy of having a beautiful teacher with low hygiene. Miss Reyes was kind to me, and I'm proud of her too. But her kindness suddenly vanished when she noted my family name. De los Santos? Sofia de los Santos? Yes, Mom. How are you related with Mr. Romeo de los Santos? He's my father. Oh, you're the daughter of the Chief Romeo. Miss Reyes turned at me with like I was so surprised at Miss Reyes' reaction. In the next day, my mother got sick, so I have to do the household chores and I have to take care of my younger brothers. So I slept late that night. When I woke up, oh, it's getting late, so I rushed to school. When I arrived in school, I tiptoed entering our classroom. Sophia, why are you late? Mom, I'm sorry. My mother got sick, so I have to do the household chores and I have to take care of my younger brothers. Okay, class. Tomorrow, you must bring your dolls for our garden project. Understood? Yes, Mom. We answered in chorus. But unfortunately, I was not feeling well that night. My head was aching and I can't sleep. So, I slept late at night. When I woke up, oh my God, it's getting late. So I rushed to school and forget everything about the assignment. It was time for checking our dolls. Miss Reyes came to me. Sophia, where are your dolls? Mom, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Stop! You're a liar! A cheat! You are not your father! I hate you, Sophia! I hate him! She stopped me and beat me! I was not over the floor! Mom! I don't know! I don't know what you're talking about! No! You're a liar! You're a cheat! You are not your father! I hate you, Sophia! I hate him! Suddenly, my eyes began stark, and I saw a shiny pointed knife on the floor. Immediately, I held it with my 2 hands, and I said there was twice as many times, and then she died. So guys, my dear fellow future educators, gusto pa mo nga may mulana ang inyong mga anak po? It was maybe a very simple story of Sofia de los Santos. But guys, I want you to wake up. Everybody wake up. As all I know nowadays, many are crying, many are suffering because of cheating, because of playing love like a game. Please stop cheating.